let's know about shapes.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sonakshi. I am from grade 2. Today we are explaining about different types of shapes. Today I am showing circle shape. This is a circle shape. Now I am showing for you star. This is a star. A oval shape. Now I will show you square. This is a square shape. Today I will show you triangle. This is a triangle. Now I will show you a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Thank you.